Hi guys, Paul Yaffe Originals and Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, and today I want to talk to you about our front fender for the Lowrider and Lowrider ST models. The new models come with inverted forks, which makes it a little challenging to put custom fenders on, but what we did is we created this set of inverted fork adapters that bolts on the stock mounts. It also works as your debris guard, so it protects your fork tubes, and it allows any one of our fenders that are made for this particular bike. And when I say that, what I mean is when Harley made this Lowrider S and ST model, they put this balloon tire on it, a much larger than average normal 19-inch tire. So standard 19-inch fenders won't fit on this tire. We had to make a special mold and a special casting just to make this fender. These fenders are made from 3D hand-formed composite right here in our factory. They're super strong, add great rigidity to your front end over the stock steel models that are really thin and flexible. We make them in a couple of styles. This one is called our sport style. It's flat here and it matches our Black Stash chin scoop and the bottom of the frame. It kind of flows right together. That was intentional. Very close tire hugging design in a full fit fender. The other style we make is basically the same fender. It's just a little bit longer and it has kind of a rounded blunt nose, kind of classic West Coast styling is what I would refer to that. And that's called a Thicky. So there's a Sport and a Thicky. You can see them both online. Both include our inverted steel fender adapters. They're direct bolt on. All hardware is included. You can check them out at paulyafeoriginals.com along with all of the other killer products that we make for your Softail or touring model. Thanks for watching.